Hey Raj, be honest. How many English movies have you watched this month?
Honestly, quite a few. I love watching movies on weekends.
Perfect, because that's exactly today's topic. Lesson 30. Learn English through movies. Watching movies isn't just entertainment. It can actually be one of the most powerful ways to improve your English.
Wait, really? I always thought I was just relaxing, not learning anything.
That's the thing. Most people watch movies passively, just for entertainment, and miss out on all the learning happening right in front of them. Today, let's talk about how to actually turn movie time into real practice.
Okay, I'm curious. Where do we start?
First tip, watch with English subtitles, not your native language subtitles. A lot of people use Hindi subtitles, but that actually slows down your English learning.
Oh, I actually do this all the time. I always keep Hindi subtitles on.
That's very common, but here's the problem. Your brain reads the Hindi, understands the meaning, and completely ignores the English audio. You're not actually training your English listening at all.
Oh wow, I never thought about it that way. So English subtitles are better?
Much better, because you're reading and hearing English at the same time, which strengthens both skills together.
Okay, that makes a lot of sense. What's the second tip?
Second, choose movies that match your level. If you're a beginner, avoid movies with extremely fast, slang heavy dialogue. Start with slower, clearer movies. Family dramas, simple stories, or animated movies actually work really well.
Oh, animated movies. I never considered those for learning.
They're actually great. The dialogue is usually clearer and slower since they're made for a wider audience, including kids.
That's such a smart tip. Honestly, I would have assumed a serious movie was better for learning.
Not necessarily. Clarity matters more than seriousness when you're still building your listening skills. Third tip, rewatch the same movie multiple times.
Wait, isn't that boring though? Watching the same thing again and again?
It might sound boring, but here's why it works. The first time, you're just following the story. The second time, you start noticing phrases and sentence structures. By the third time, you're actually absorbing pronunciation and rhythm, almost without effort.
Oh, that's actually similar to what we discussed in our shadowing lesson. Repeating the same content builds real fluency.
Exactly the same idea, just applied to movies instead of short audio clips.
Okay, what's the fourth tip?
Fourth, pause and repeat interesting lines. Whenever a character says something you really like or a phrase that sounds useful, pause the movie and repeat it out loud, copying the tone and emotion.
Oh, like a mini shadowing exercise, but for movies specifically?
Exactly! Let's actually try this right now. Imagine a scene where two friends are having a casual conversation, and one of them says something like, "Honestly, I don't know what I'd do without you."
Honestly, I don't know what I'd do without you.
Nice! Try adding a bit more warmth to it, like you really mean it.
Honestly, I don't know what I'd do without you.
Much better. See, that's exactly the kind of practice movies naturally give you. Real emotion, real tone, not just correct grammar.
That's honestly such a fun way to practice. Way more engaging than textbook sentences.
Exactly the point. Fifth tip, keep a small notebook or notes app for new phrases. Whenever you hear something interesting, jot it down, even just a few words.
Oh, that's a good habit. I usually just enjoy the line in the moment and forget it completely afterward.
That happens to almost everyone. Writing it down, even briefly, helps you actually remember and reuse it later.
Makes sense. What's the sixth tip?
Sixth, watch the movie a second time without any subtitles at all, once you're already familiar with the story.
Oh, that sounds challenging, but I guess since you already know the story, you can focus completely on the language.
Exactly right. Since you're not confused about what's happening, your brain can focus entirely on catching the actual words and expressions.
That's such a clever progression. Subtitles first, then no subtitles once you're comfortable.
Exactly. Now let's talk about genres for a second, because different genres teach different things. Romantic movies are great for emotional and relationship vocabulary. Comedies teach natural, everyday conversation and humor. And dramas often have slower, clearer dialogue, great for beginners.
What about action movies? I watch a lot of those.
Action movies are fun, but honestly, they're not the best for learning, since dialogue is often short, fast, and mixed with a lot of noise and music.
Oh, that explains why I struggle to catch the dialogue in those movies, even in English.
Exactly. So, for pure language learning, comedies and dramas are usually your best bet.
Okay, let's do one more little practice round. Give me a short movie style line, and I'll try to say it with the right emotion.
Okay, imagine your character just found out some exciting news. Try saying, "Wait, are you serious? This is amazing news."
Wait, are you serious? This is amazing news.
Perfect energy. Now imagine the opposite, a disappointed character. Try, "I really thought this would work out differently."
I really thought this would work out differently.
Excellent. See, you naturally adjusted your tone for each emotion without even thinking about grammar. That's exactly what movies train so well. Natural expression, not just correct words.
Honestly, this feels like such a fun way to practice. Definitely more enjoyable than staring at a textbook.
Absolutely. So, friends, to summarize, watch with English subtitles, not native language ones. Pick movies matching your level. Rewatch the same movie a few times. Pause and repeat interesting lines with emotion. Keep notes of new phrases. And once you're comfortable, try watching without any subtitles at all.
That's such a clear plan. I think I'm actually going to rewatch one of my favorite movies this weekend, but properly this time, with all these tips in mind.
That's the spirit. Friends, try this with your favorite movie too and comment below which movie you're planning to use for practice.
We'd love to know your picks.
If this lesson helped you see movies differently, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and we'll keep bringing more practical learning techniques like this.
See you all in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone.
Bye. And Anjali, this weekend, want to do a movie night? Purely for educational purposes, of course.
Of course, purely educational. Bye, everyone.